Alright, here it is all done. This is it. I took it to the lake this weekend. I had a good time at the lake, stayed in the camper. It worked perfectly. I mean, show you what's going on here. I put a little lock, that way when I'm, at the gas station or something, I can keep it locked. But I just bought me a little lock and key deal here to throw on that, so when I'm somewhere, Walmart or something, I can lock it. Nobody's getting in here, so I can keep my fishing poles and, cooler and whatnot. But there's the inside. I got my AC. I threw some signs up just to, give it some decor. Got my linoleum walk-through area. Goes to the carpet. Threw a cot on either side. I installed a little sink deal here. Just made some kind of ghetto faucet deal. I need to lower it because it's too much height. The pump's not strong enough to pump the water up that high. So I think I'm just going to, turn it out right here and just let it, kind of just pee over the side. But I got, in here is just a tank I got from Walmart, 16 bucks. I took a fish pump that's submersible. It goes in there, hooks to a 1/4 inch inner, like ID line. That's 1/4 inch. That's 1/4 inch on the inside. So then when, I'm hooked to power, which I'm not right now, this is the power line for the submersible pump. So, and this is connected directly to that one. And then that power strip runs to the generator. So, I got AC, and then I can come over here and just flip the switch and turn on the power to the submersible pump, which will turn on the faucet. And then when I'm done, washing my hands or something, I'll just kick it off. And then my drain, ow, bumped my head. My drain just goes underneath. It just, I'm just using clean water that just dumps onto the ground. But that's that part of it. Just used extra things around the house. Bottle opener for, the lake and the bottles. I painted all the roof. I just used these lights here. These lights, you open them up like so, and then they turn on. But I got a bunch of those on sale at Tractor Supply. I think I got them for like 25 cents a piece, but I bought 40 of them. So I used, 6 or 7 in there. Well, like 3 or 4 in here. When it got dark, just popped them on. I could see perfectly, but if I had a lamp or something, I could have just plugged it in, but I didn't really need that. But there it is. I mean, for cheap, I think I, maybe got somewhere around 350 bucks into it, and that's because I bought the AC unit brand new, and I had to, buy this trailer for 100 bucks. The topper was already mine. The curtains over here, these are made out of a shower curtain. So I cut up a shower curtain and just got some $3 rods from Walmart. I bought the tank and the submersible pump. The sink was in my backyard. All the wood, I started doing this like shiplap, cedar shiplap stuff around, but I ran out, so I just finished it out in these little 10-inch strips of plywood I had from another project. Well, this doghouse here that I used in my garage at my old house, I just took the sides of the plywood, started making something, so painted the inside. There it is, man. I mean, I'm pretty excited about it. It was a fun build. It took me about 3 or 4 days. I probably have maybe, I don't know, 35 hours of work into it, maybe 30 hours. I don't know. But this does, closes. But there it is all around. I mean, pretty solid little deal. It rained a few times on this after I got finished with the outside, because I did the outside, then I started on the inside. But a couple nights it rained a couple times, and didn't get any water inside it or anything like that. There's the other side. There's, it's a 1 7/8 bowl. I got my little 6-inch drop hitch. That way I can level out the trailer when I'm parked or anything. So, like when I showed up to the camp spot, I just parked on a level surface, and then that was that, you know. I didn't have to unhook to make the camper level or anything like that, because with the drop hitch it kind of sits a little bit level, so you know, that was real easy. All the lights that are on the back, those work. I mean, I needed them to work because nobody could see my tail lights behind this big thing, but it's all, you know, all works. You know, the tail lights, turn signals, hazards, all that worked great. I don't know. Cool little thing. It pulled real well. I mean, I went 80 miles an hour. I was going to 80 for probably a solid like 20 minutes, and she pulls well, real well. I think if I had a littler truck or something, I could probably pull it with my wife's car or something like that. But yeah, there it is. You know, thanks for watching my video. If you want to tell me something that maybe I forgot, or, you know, maybe we can get some ideas for a next build or something like that, you know, comment. Let me know what you think. Subscribe to the channel. Help my channel grow so I can keep, you know, making videos like this and keep them going, make other cool things or something like that, you know. Like, subscribe, share it. I mean, when I was on my way to the lake and on my way back home, I probably watched 30 people take pictures of it. It was pretty cool little thing. I mean, you know, you can buy a camper for 10 grand, or you can build one for 400 bucks. All right, guys, thanks for watching.